So next problem, 2% zero sum game without saddle point we're going to see. So in this problem, we write player B using HT strategy and player A using H and T strategies. So here player B strategy 2 minus 1 0, player A. So like previous problem, here also we want to first find minimum among each row. So here minimum value -1, here minimum value -1. So among this minimum value, maximum, the same value will come since they both are equal value. So among this maximum value, maximum -1. So in column, first we are going to find maximum value. So here maximum value in first column 2, in second column 0. So among this minimum value we call minimax, which is 0. So now in this problem, minimax does not equal to maximum. Minimax does not equal to maximum, which means there is no saddle point exist. So now how we going to solve the problem? First, write down the problem as it is. 2 minus 1 0 HT. Here in first year we are going to find the difference between this second row. Here second row difference, you can anyway from 0 minus of -1 you can write, or -1 -0. Anyway you have to ignore the sign. Here 0 in the first value, here difference between these two values I am going to write over here, 0 minus of -1, which is equal to 0 minus of -1 become +1. So 0 plus 1 gives 1. So here in second row I am going to find the difference between the first two values. Here -1 -2, it gives -3, but ignore the signature, you write +3. Ignore the sign, you use only plus. Now similarly in first column, the second column difference I am going to write. So what is the difference here? 0 minus of -1 it become +1. 0 minus of -1 it becomes +1. In second column, first column difference I am going to write. So 2 plus 1 or -1 plus -2 -1 -2, ignore the sign, total value here is difference 3. So now after this 1 divided by, you sum up both these differences, 1 plus 3. Here 3 divide sum of these two value, 1 plus 3. Similarly here also 1 divided by sum of this value, 1 plus 3. Here 3 divided by sum of these two differences, 1 plus 3. Here you will get 1 by 4. Here you will get 3 by 4. Here you will get 1 by 4. Here you will get 3 by 4. So now you just take first column values. So this 2 you are going to multiply with this value, and -1 you multiply with this value. So here we call value of game 1. 2 multiply with 1 by 4 -1 multiply with 3 by 4. So you will get 2 by 4 minus 3 by 4. You will get -1 by 4. Similarly V2. So value of game 2, here -1 into next year this value, -1 into this value into 1 by 4 plus 0 into 3 by 4. So here 0 into 3 by 4 will become 0. So -1 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Here in row basis, in first row 2 into 1 by 4. See, this we call value of game 3. 2 into 1 by 4. Next minus 1 into 3 by 4. Minus 1 into 3 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4 minus 3 by 4, which gives minus 1 by 4. And next V4, value of game 4 here, minus 1 into 1 by 4, minus 1 into 1 by 4 plus 0 into 3 by 4, 0 into 3 by 4. So it gives totally minus 1 by 4. So among any, in examinations, any one if you write down, it's fine. For understanding, I given for all 4 values, but 4 values always going to be the same values. So for examination, any one if you write, that will be the value of game. Understand? In examination time, you no need to write for these 3 calculations. For your understandings, any one of this row or column, you can multiply with these differences which you calculated. This is value of game.